You love chicken adobo, but hate the aftertaste? Here's the fix. Butter. This simple twist keeps the classic flavor, adds a creamy finish, and makes every bite melt in your mouth. Say goodbye to that aftertaste and hello to pure adobo goodness. If you enjoyed this creamy twist on chicken adobo, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more Filipino recipes and global cooking inspiration, and leave a comment below. What's your favorite adobo version? I'd love to hear from you.